This course taught you how to organize your business so that it becomes more process-driven. And it went deep into automating your process-driven projects and tasks. But all of the organization and automation in the world won't help you if you and your team can't find what they need, when and where they need it. So visibility into your operation from a bunch of different perspectives is essential. In this lesson, we'll cover the 4 key views into your operation, how to see everything together in one place, how to see all projects of a certain type, how to see all projects that are for a particular client, and how to see all projects and tasks for a particular person. And finally, I'll show you how to access all of this on your mobile device. All right, what are these 4 key views into your operation? When you need to see what's going on, you probably need to see it within a certain context. And so here are 4 different views, each giving you visibility into your operation through a particular context. First, let's see all the things together in one place. This is your big picture. You're not looking for any one item in particular, but you're more interested in answering the question, among everything that's happening, what's most pressing? Well, here's how you can see everything in Process Kit. It's actually pretty simple. Let's open up this menu and click See Everything. All right, so now here in the Everything view, under Projects, we have all projects across all different boards, and we can sort or filter these if we want to. We also have a view into all the individual task lists across all boards, and we could sort these by progress. And of course, if we click into any one of these, it would take us straight into that project, viewing that task list. And then finally, we have all the individual tasks across all projects, across all boards. So here we could see everything that we need to, the task title, the project, who is assigned, and we can sort this by start date or due date. If something is past due, then it would display in red. And these tasks can also be checked off right from here in this view. And we can toggle between showing incomplete, completed, or all the tasks together. Now, more commonly, you'll want to see all of a particular type of project. And as you've learned already, this is what boards were made for. For example, show me all of the clients who are currently onboarding. So we can go into our new client onboarding board. And Kanban view gives us a nice visual layout, which we can manually drag these along, or as you've learned, your processes can automatically do that for you. It also has the list view where you can sort and filter the list by different criteria. The next view would be to see all the projects that are for a particular client. And as you've learned in the previous lesson, there are 2 ways to see that. One way is to go back into a board, and let's go to the list view. And here we can filter our list of projects in this board by which client they're for. So for example, let's see all of the projects for Initech. Or we can go to our clients list and look at any individual client. And when the client has projects, the boards for those projects would show up as tabs here. So this client has 2 projects in the campaigns board. Now, if you're managing a team, then you'll need to have a clear view into what each individual person is working for. So if you go to your people section here, this is where you can invite people to your team, but it's also where you can view and manage each person. Let's see what Emma currently has on her plate. If I click into her, the first tab here shows a list of all the projects that Emma is on, meaning these contain tasks that are assigned to her. The second tab shows all the individual tasks that Emma is assigned to, and this can be sorted by start or due date. If something is past due, then it would show up in red, and these tasks are checkable, so Emma or anybody else can come in here and just check these off. Of course, clicking these would take you straight into that project. Also, if any person wants to just look at themselves, they could certainly do that. They can click their name here, or up here, there's a shortcut by clicking My Work. That also takes you into viewing yourself. And these are all the projects that I am currently on. These are my tasks. Again, I can check them off from here. This could be sort of like my daily to-do list. Really, I could just come in here and see across all the different projects that I'm on, these are my tasks. And I can check them off right here. I could sort by incomplete, completed, or showing all together. And then there's the activity tab on each person, and this shows a log of all the activity, everything that this individual person has done, including all the actions on tasks and also any comments and things that they've left. Lastly, let's talk about mobile. These days, operating your business from any mobile device is essential. That's why every feature in Process Kit has been designed to work on mobile devices. Here's how to add Process Kit to the home screen on your iPhone so that you'll have easy, fast access to it when you're on the go. And there are similar instructions available for Android users. First, open Process Kit in your Safari web browser on iOS. Tap around to see how everything works on mobile. Then navigate to the page in Process Kit that you want to save as your go-to landing page. I recommend making this your boards page. Then click the share icon at the bottom. Then tap Add to Home Screen. And then you'll end up with Process Kit sitting on your iPhone home screen just like any other app. All right, this wraps up your course on process automation. I hope this serves to jumpstart your work on making your business operate more predictably and efficiently. Now, as always, if you have questions about process, or if you need help or advice on how to map out your processes in the right way, I love talking about this stuff. Get in touch and I'll be happy to work with you directly in your Process Kit account. Thanks for watching. All right, let's get to work.